Judges at Scotland's highest civil court will not rule on a legal bid aimed at forcing the Prime Minister to send a letter requesting a Brexit extension if no withdrawal deal is reached by October 19 until after that date. The requirement for the Prime Minister to request a Brexit extension if no withdrawal deal is secured with the EU by October 19 is a key provision of the so-called Benn Act, passed by MPs in a bid to prevent a no-deal departure. Campaigners had lodged an appeal at the Court of Session in Edinburgh after legal action aimed at forcing Boris Johnson to request a Brexit extension if there is no deal by then was dismissed. They also asked the Court of Session to use the unique power of nobile officium, which would allow an official to send a letter on behalf of Mr. Johnson if he refuses. However, 3 senior judges said they would not make a ruling until October 21, after the deadline. Meanwhile, the Bank of England said Britain's lenders remain able to withstand a worst-case disorderly Brexit, and extensive contingency planning has helped mitigate most risks of a no-deal to UK financial stability. The Financial Policy Committee, FPC, said major UK banks and insurers were strong enough to cope with a cliff-edge Brexit and continue lending. It added that the biggest risks of disruption to UK users of financial services have been addressed. But the FPC cautioned that without further action by EU authorities, there could still be some disruption to cross-border financial services in the event of a no-deal. But minutes of the FPC meeting on October 2 showed policymakers remained concerned over the toll Brexit is taking on the economy. The FPC said, the committee concluded that entrenched Brexit uncertainties, particularly in an environment of weaker global growth, had continued to weigh on the UK economy, including on business investment, the prices of UK assets and flows of foreign capital into the UK, most notably in commercial property and leveraged lending markets. It added, although actions by businesses and authorities have improved the preparedness of the UK economy for a no-deal Brexit, material risks of economic disruption remain. The bank also warned Facebook its new digital coin Libra will face tough scrutiny. For more on this story, visit the news article link.